Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. I am Radhika Pyari Devi Dasi, also known as Rashmi Baker, and today I am going to share with you recipes which are especially favorable for kids. As we all know, kids have a particular taste. So based on that, I am going to use such ingredients which are readily accepted by them. I am going to share with you 5 recipes for the kids. So let's look into the ingredients. Okay, it's time for recipe number 1. Mash the potatoes well. Then sprinkle some curry powder or your own spice powder. Sprinkle some dry oregano herbs. Salt as per taste. Mix it all well and keep aside. Damp the spring roll sheet with some water nicely. Add a spoonful of the filling on top. Then add little bit of sour cream or cheese spread. Roll it in this manner and bring it to the center. Then fold it from both the sides and then wet with some water and then again close it. Repeat the same with the other spring roll sheets. After you have rolled all the sheets, then bake the spring rolls on 375 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or shallow fry them till they are golden brown. Dip the rice paper sheets 2 to 3 times in cold water and then place it on a plastic mat. Place the lettuce first, then the noodles, then some carrots, cucumbers, homemade seitan or your paneer strips. Then put some soya sauce, fold it from all the sides and top and bottom. Add the steamed vegetables to the rice and add the salt, the soya sauce and mix everything well, mashing the rice with the remaining ingredients. Wet your palms with some water and then start rolling the rice one by one into small balls. Keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes and then serve it on the plate. Heat the butter in the pan on high heat. Keeping the heat on high, now add the cabbage. Cook this cabbage on high heat for a minute and then sprinkle some salt as per taste. Once it changes color, pour some lemon juice and then cook again for 2 minutes and turn off the stove. Add tomatoes first in the blender and blend them. Now add the boiled chickpeas and blend them too. Add some nutritional yeast, this is optional. Black pepper powder, some dry basil leaves. If you don't have that, then you can use mint leaves or cilantro. Add some salt and then some sugar. As per your desired consistency, add the water and then blend it. After preparing everything, we place the tulsi leaves and then offer it to Krishna. Here we are, a perfect assortment for your little ones. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and visit my website Krsnatarian.com. We will be coming up with more such videos. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.